In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and deploy an OpenAI agent template effectively and efficiently. We'll walk through this process step by step, from defining your agent's tasks and data inputs, all the way to connecting AI processing nodes and testing and deploying your agent. So let's get started. First, let's begin by understanding what an AI agent is and what it can do. Essentially, an AI agent is a program that can make decisions and perform tasks autonomously by interacting with its environment. When designing an AI agent, it's crucial to clearly define what tasks you want your agent to perform. Think about the goals you want to achieve with this agent and also consider the types of data it will need to perform those tasks. Consider, for example, an AI agent designed to help with customer inquiries. You'd need to identify which questions it should answer and what data it needs to access to provide those answers. Next, you'll need to gather and organize the data inputs required for your agent to function. These inputs could range from real-time data feeds, historical databases, to user input data. Consider how this data will be structured and accessed. It's also important to ensure that your data is clean and relevant, as this will directly affect the performance of your AI agent. When defining these data inputs, try to anticipate any potential gaps or issues with the data sources and plan how to address them. Once you have defined the tasks and sorted out your data inputs, it's time to move on to connecting AI processing nodes. These nodes are essentially the brains of your operation, where the data gets processed and decisions are made. You might want to utilize existing AI algorithms or create custom nodes that suit your specific needs. As you set up these nodes, ensure you're considering the scalability and adaptability of your AI system. This involves thinking about how the agent will handle increasing amounts of data and varying scenarios that may not have been accounted for initially. After setting up your processing nodes, you should now focus on testing your AI agent. This step is crucial in ensuring that everything works as expected and allows you to identify any issues that need fixing before deployment. During testing, simulate various scenarios and observe how well your agent performs the tasks it's designed to do. Look for any inconsistencies or failures and make necessary adjustments. Pay attention to how the agent interacts with the data and whether it needs any fine-tuning to improve accuracy and efficiency. Finally, once you're satisfied with the testing phase, it's time to deploy your AI agent. This is where your hard work comes to fruition and the agent starts operating in its intended environment. When deploying, make sure you have a monitoring system in place to track its performance and to glean insights for future iterations or updates. Consider setting up feedback loops to continue improving the AI agent as it learns from real-world interactions. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating and deploying an open AI agent template. By following these steps, you'll be able to not only build a robust AI system, but also ensure it operates seamlessly and efficiently. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps and refine your process as you gain more insights and experience with AI technologies. Thank you for watching and happy building.